Picture the scene. You pull out your fave fit, only to find the hems come down. Don't sweat it, check out this simple video to learn how to get those hems up and back in action. All ready? Let's repair your visible hem. In this technique, we'll mend your hem with visible stitching, just like those you see on denim or casual chinos. Want the stitches out of sight? Check out our video on formal hemming with invisible stitching. Only repairing the hem of one leg? It's worth thinking about whether you need the same thread to match the other leg. First up, work out where you need the hem to sit and fold up into place. Press and pin the hem. Top trick, measure against the other leg so that everything matches up. Check the folded edge is an even height all the way around. A temporary tacking stitch can ensure the fabric stays put. Check out our guide for tacking stitches. And now for the final hemming stitches. If you're matching another hem on the garment, it's likely those stitches will have been done by a machine. Now, we're not machines ourselves, but we can get pretty close to that machine magic just using our hands. Introducing your new best friend, the backstitch. To get going with your backstitch, take your threaded needle knotted at the end and push it through the back of the fabric. Push the needle back through the fabric to create your first stitch. Then bring the needle back through the fabric and back down again by the end of the previous stitch. Remember, if you're matching another hem on the garment, use those stitches as a guide for the size of your own. Keep checking your stitches are even and parallel along the bottom of the folded hemline to keep things looking tidy. Your stitches don't need to be perfect, your clothes just need to be worn again. Once you finish sewing all the way around the hem, you can fasten your thread at the end with a knot or even a few small stitches into the seam. Remove the tacking stitches and there you go. That's a hem worth holding on to. Congrats, you made it. Stay tuned for more Love It For Longer content, helping you get more from your wardrobe.